Welcome to Techi Jack. In this video we will see how we can create the Active Directory user via PowerShell and GUI. So let's move to the server and get started. So right now we are on our server, and if we see the Active Directory, right now we do not have any extra organizational unit, neither the user. So let me first create the two organizational unit with the help of the PowerShell. So let's open the PowerShell. Let me create the first organizational unit by the name of tech. It has been created. So let me quickly create the another OU by the name of IT admins. So two OU has been created. If I refresh it here, you can see the IT admin and tech. So if we have to create a user with the GUI, we can just right click here, click on new and user. Let's suppose I type it as a Jack, and the logon name is jack@techijack.local. Click on next, password never expire, and I will put the password and click on next. Here you can see I have set the option password never expire. Click on next and finish. And same way, if we want the second user to be created for the same setting like password never expire, instead of creating a new user from here, you can just do a copy of a user here. If I name it as a John and we'll click on next, and you can see it is already set as password never expire. Let me create the password and next and finish. Now two user has been created. So this user has been created inside the tech, and the same thing we can do with the PowerShell as well. I will copy this commandlet, and here you can see the name is Millie. So let me run this commandlet, and it's asking the password. Now the user has been created, but you can see it is not inside the tech, neither inside the IT admins. So by default it will be inside this container. You can see Millie is here. If we want to move the Millie to the tech OU, we can just simply right click here and click on move, and here we can select the tech OU and click on OK, and now the user Millie is inside the tech OU. So this is how we can create the OUs and users. I hope the video was informative. Let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.